another so awesome video.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back. It's Creative Redundancy back again, the one known as CR or CDR. So here's free containers, some gardening stuff that I put into these. Also, you can tell what these are from and all that stuff, regardless of the brand and where they came from. Container gardening is one form of gardening that you can do even if you don't have raised beds or limited amount of space. You can still get something as long as you have something like sunshine or an energy source in like grow lights, for example. Here's a green onion right here that I grew. It's growing quite nicely. I'll try to see if I can get it to linger around throughout the whole winter and keep it going until the spring again and all that good stuff. Here's a tomato plant that I grew from a sucker, one of those offshoots that you get on the 45 on the armpit area or whatever. You can see it's grew some tomatoes. This is one way of reusing something like that and regrowing something like that. You just put it into some water, let the roots develop, then you transfer it into some soil and let it grow. And that's basically what I did. As you can see those nice tomatoes here. Let me turn this around so you can see this a little bit. So yeah, I'll harvest these right away here. And right here, let me just bring this over here. It's quite top heavy. Hopefully it doesn't fall on me. Right here is not just a sunflower, but look. This is supposed to be a mammoth variety sunflower. And what's so special about this one is that it actually grew free. And not only that, it grew flowers too. Like, look at this. Oh, it's top heavy a little. But yeah, I managed to get some flowers off it. Honestly, I'm not getting seeds out of these, but it's good to know that, hey, it's possible to grow a sunflower that can bloom, maybe not have seeds in a container. And as you can see here, it's quite root bound, but it still grew some flowers. So it did bloom still. I gotta put this back over here. Far over. It's very top heavy. It's about, I don't know, including the container, maybe about 4 feet off the ground, give or take. So this is something very, very interesting to see this. I didn't have a chance to put this in the ground because it was late in the season, but I still managed to get some flowers off of it. And at the time of this recording, it is actually October, the third week of October. So it's just some container gardening that I tried out this year, and this is encouraging me to do some more and grow some more stuff and try this again and again and get better at it and up my gardening game. So, like always, everyone, as our world changes, we can adapt to skill and knowledge get better with practice, like gardening practice. Can't help everyone out there, but one can help someone. All right, everyone, take care, and I'll see you later.